No, I'm here to change my address. I was originally supposed to be voting in Galway, but I've decided now just today to change my address, so it's a little bit last minute.
I went to the GPO, they didn't even give me the full form. I don't know why, but yeah, so there was only like one page and I didn't know that I couldn't get a form here. It's like, it was a lot more complicated than I think it needs to be.
I understood that I could go to my local civic office, which would be Coolock. And when I went up this morning with the forms, I was told, no, you can't, we're not taking registrations here. My first thought was, sod that, totally, kind of typical of this country, no joined up thinking. And then I thought about it and I said, well, I suppose I'll have to do it at some stage.
When I was looking for information online, it didn't seem to be very clear at all. I didn't know if I needed to bring a proof of address. I was reading through all the information, couldn't really find anything very clearly. But once I've come into the Garda station, it was really, really quick.
I was away, and so I planned to come back before. I thought I'd give myself a few days before at least, and I didn't realise how close then that it actually is, that today is the last day. So I've kind of just been running around the city trying to get it.
There's a big queue in there as well today, isn't there?
There is, yeah, absolutely. But I have to say it's very efficient now. They were moving fast, yeah.
A lot of people doing it, getting it just over the line.
Yeah, absolutely. Lastminute.com.